When I travel, I like to keep things simple. I usually stick to one backpack, and I only bring the accessories that actually make my trip easier. See, when you're traveling with just one bag, every item has to earn its place. The right accessories can make the difference between a stressful trip and a smooth one. In this video, I'm going to show you the 10 accessories that I always take with me when I travel, and we're going to be packing them into the Pakt Travel Backpack, which is a 35-litre carry-on that is an excellent choice for one bag travel. Number one is a DOP kit. If I had nothing else, I'd want this. See, staying fresh while I'm traveling is very important to me. If I don't feel clean, I can get a little bit low energy, so keeping all my toiletries contained and accessible is a non-negotiable for me. This is the Peak Design wash pouch, and I like it because it's not too big, it's not too small, so I can sort of take everything that I need. Doesn't matter if I'm staying in an Airbnb, in a hotel, or on a plane. This pouch keeps everything in one place and stops all my liquids from leaking into my backpack. So that's why I love it. So just gonna pop that right there in my travel bag. Number two are packing cubes. So these are the Rushfaster packing cubes, and I really like them because you can see sort of what's inside them. They offer some visibility. They also come in 3 different sizes, so they can fit in almost any bag. You can do a little bit of Tetrising. So this is where all my clothes go. And in this set of pouches, I've got 5 t-shirts, a jumper and a pair of pants, and then 5 pairs of socks and underwear. And that is all I need for indefinite travel, provided I can do some laundry. When you travel, clothes are the items that take up most of your luggage, so compressing them and organizing them is quite essential for packing light. So let's pop these in. I'm going to pop these in. Number 3 is my tech. And look, I would rather not travel with any tech at all, certainly not my laptop, but the reality is for most of us that we'll need access to our laptop or at least a tablet while we travel. We might need it for work, for entertainment, or just to sort of manage our life. So I always travel with like a small tech kit, as small as I can get it anyway. So that's a laptop, a phone, and then a tech pouch with all of my things in it. You know, I've got like some cables. This is from Native Union. My mouse, some chargers, hard drive, more chargers, and all my little dongles. And then also a magnetic power bank for my phone, just to get a little bit of extra charge if I need it. So having all my tech in an organizer means that it's really easy to grab and get everything I need when I want it. So the laptop is going in the bag. And I'm gonna throw the tech pouch in here as well. Number 4 is a packable day bag. Like a large 35-litre bag like the Pakt Aero is great when you're in transit, but when I've arrived at my destination and I'm out exploring, I want something a little bit smaller, so that's why I like to bring a packable bag. And these are my 2 current favorites, the Pakt Stash Packable Backpack 16 and the Tortuga Packable Day Pack, which is a 19-litre backpack. The Pakt can hold a 16-inch laptop, and the Tortuga has 2 external water bottle pockets. Both are quite comfortable to carry, and I think both look really cool. See, a packable day pack, it's perfect for walking around the city, picking up groceries, or just heading out with nothing more than like a phone, a water bottle, and a jacket. And when I don't need it, then it just packs away really flat. I'm gonna take the Tortuga on this trip, this imaginary trip. So I can really just sort of squish that right down. So really easy to just throw in and you're away. Number 5 is a pen. Okay, this one is a simple one. It's a pen, but it's essential because when you're traveling, you'll be filling out custom forms or jotting down directions on a map to an underground Parisian heavy metal club. You will always have a use for a pen when you travel. That's gonna go in the front here. Number 6 are noise-cancelling earbuds. So these are my AirPods, and noise-cancelling earbuds, they're just lifesavers when you're on the plane, buses, or just blocking out like street noise. They're small, they're light, and I take them everywhere, absolutely everywhere. Number 7 is a carabiner. This GearAid HeroClip is one of those clever accessories that comes in handy all the time. This, along with a few other items that I've got today, actually, they made my EDC essential list. So I suppose that's just proof of just how useful they actually are. This is a carabiner that converts into a hook, so I can hang my backpack up off the ground in airport toilets or cafes or anything. And then I can also clip things to it as well. So it's tiny, but yeah, don't leave home without it. And I'm just gonna clip that right here, so I always got it, always accessible. Number 8 is a phone case. So my phone is my map, my camera, my boarding pass, my connection home, and also my time killer. When I'm traveling, things tend to get a little bit knocked around. I'm a little bit rougher than I usually would be, so a good phone case is a must. I like this one from Torras because it offers good protection. It's also got a fun color, but then it's also got this little foldy thing. So if I am using it to watch something on the plane, I just put that on the travel tray, kick back, and watch some shows. Number 9 are earplugs. So these are the Matador travel earplugs, and being able to block out sound is such a superpower. I like to carry these because it just keeps them nice and safe, you know, and you don't want sort of like janky earbuds rolling around in your bag, so this sort of keeps them together. This case is great. It's sort of squishy and stretchy. It feels really cool. It also comes with a little clip, so I can clip it to my keys or clip it on the key leash in my bag. So whether it's like a noisy flight or thin-walled hostel or the opening band at the previously mentioned heavy metal club, then these help me get a little bit of peace. So in they go. Finally, an eye mask. So this is the Matador blackout eye mask, and this blocks out light completely and it packs down really small. So you combine it with the earplugs, you can sleep anywhere. On a plane, bus, or in a bright Airbnb in Iceland summer months. The sleep is so important, so this is just brilliant. So those are the 10 accessories that I always take with me when I travel. They all fit very nicely into the Pakt Aero Travel Backpack, along with a few of my EDC items like some sunglasses, keys, and whatnot. And then I even have some room to spare, so maybe I could like throw in a camera down here or something like that. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel. Make sure you sign up to our newsletter as well. I'll leave a link in the description below. Also links downstairs for everything that I've shown in this video, so check that out. And let me know in the comments, what is one accessory that you always take with you when you travel? Have I missed anything? Let me know. I'm Roland from Rushfaster. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.